Welcome back to Voodoo Garage and welcome back to 2 Minute Wednesday. Unfortunately we didn't do 2 Minute Tuesday yesterday, so today's video is going to be on the Peron software that we've just released for the VT330R. This is a new updated software which, well, as you're about to see, definitely is worth every penny. So we'll go and flick to some dyno footage, a little bit of a rundown of what's happened today, some results, and then Nick's going to run us through what the differences between the old software and the new software are. Make sure you stay tuned and we'll see you in a second. So I'm now joined with Nick, as I mentioned before. Nick's going to run us through the differences between the older software and the new VT330R-E.
Yeah, the
is
E,
it
I
software?
think that's what Peron have decided to call it.
Go on mate, fire away, tell us what the differences are.
Look, obviously we want to keep quite a lot of it a secret, and Peron have told us what it is, but it's, without going too into detail and giving away exactly what they're doing and how they've managed to achieve what they're achieving. They've changed a little bit of the strategies around the throttle control and the boost control, which have allowed us to introduce a little bit more power, similar sort of torque levels but holding on for longer, with exactly the same amount of boost, if not marginally less. So it's been in the pipeline for a little while. They just needed to get hold of my car and a couple of customer cars for beta testing, so we knew this was coming, and now that it's available, I mean it does introduce some of the Stage 2 Pro update stuff as well. Everybody was saying I'd like a little bit of overrun, you know, activated by the pedal, and Elliot's car, when I was following the other day, you get just one or two nice pops on the upshift and stuff like that, so it's not quite as much as D-Cell for the people that didn't want it, but it does just give you those nice little overrun pops and bangs.
So as Nick just mentioned, the car that's just come off the dyno, that previously was running 1.8 bar of boost and 301 wheel horsepower. It's now running 1.75 bar, so as he said, slightly less, however now running 317.
Yeah, 317, same torque
so
as well.
That is a ridiculous jump. Lower boost pressure, so obviously that's going to appeal to a lot of people.
Yeah.
So again, 2 Minute Tuesday, hopefully we've stuck to the
Wednesday.
2 minute. Oh, it's Wednesday. It don't matter. So make sure you like and subscribe to the channel, leave comments in the comment section below, and as always we'll leave links to the new upgraded software in the description below, the turbo itself, and we'll see you on the next video. Thank you for watching.